Hi everyone, it's Aaron Flexure here. Hope everyone's doing well. Just want to make a quick tutorial on Remind 101. I really highly recommend it. I find that it's very useful for the class and keeping in touch with the students. And when I say quick tutorial, it really should be that because you'll see this program is very simple to use. So we're going to go to remind101.com. Okay, and you'll just have to first just put in your information. So let me just do this quickly. And I'm going to make a password. So all it asks you for is your name and your email address. And I'll make a password. This is going to be your account. So to log in, you're going to have to use your email address and password in the future. So just make sure to remember which email address and password you used. And I'm going to click on sign up. And the first screen you're going to see when you sign up is it's going to ask you to add your first class. So I'm just going to call this English period 6 just to remember which class it is, and I'm going to click on add. And as you see here, Remind 101 has assigned me a number. The number here it says is 347 547 3572, and to activate this account, this number, I have to subscribe to my class. It's waiting here for me to do it. So I'm going to just take out my phone, which you can't see on the screen, and I'm going to text the number. Again, the number is 347 547 3572, and the subject is at Mr. Fleck. So I'm going to type that in here, at Mr. Fleck, and I sent it, and we'll see in a second. And there we go. On my phone right now it says, "Thanks Aaron Flexure. As a member of Mr. Fleck, you will receive all Mr. Flexure's Remind 101 notifications." So I'll just wait for this to load. And if you see here, I could now send a message to my English period 6 class. Hello world. And I'm going to click send. Interestingly enough, Remind 101 is very cute, and it takes our students' times in mind, although usually our students are probably up way past 11:47, unfortunately, but it does say 11:47 p.m. is a little late, send anyway. I'm going to click OK. And so that message sent, and you could see here on the bottom all the message that you've sent, and you could also schedule a message for later. All you really need at this point is, you see here on the left are your classes. I could add a new class at any time. Every time I add a new class, I'm going to be given a new code for it. What I always need here is my number. My number always stays the same, and as you see here, I have subscribers. If you want to just test it out right now, if you want to text this number over here and write in at Mr. Fleck, so if you do that, you're going to actually see your name pop up over here in this area. So if you want to head and go and test it out, it's really cool, it's really easy to use, and that's pretty much all there is to it. What's nice about Remind 101 is if you click on Invite Students and Parents, it gives you this document to print out, or you could email it, and so everything is spelled out for them. I'll show you what it looks like when you print it out. Give me a second here. It will look just like this, and it's a pretty foolproof instruction sheet with very simple instructions. I gave this out to all my students of my Navi class, period 4, and all they had to do was text this number with this message, and voila, they were signed up. And that's all I had to do. I'm just going to quickly sign out of this account that I just made, and I'm going to go to my real account that I have to show you what it looks like with my students logged on. So I'm just going to sign out and sign back in. And we'll sign in here. Whoops, wrong password. Let's try that again. There we go. So if you look over here on the right, subscribers, I have 16 students in this class, and they're all right here. And over here I have different messages that I sent to them, a bunch of messages. And I could type in, I'm not going to do it, but I could type in a message now, and I could either send it or I could schedule it for later, and they'll get the message instantly if I were to send it now. And that's all there is to Remind 101. Just keep in mind that you are limited to 140 characters per text. That is the standard text messaging rate. And you could also send to multiple classes at once. If, let's say, you have 3 English classes and you made your 3 English classes over here on the left, you could add all of them at once, or I could add individual students at once if I only want to send to a few kids. That's just about it. Please find me in school if you want me to help you set up your account. Hopefully you'll find it really useful.